Welcome to Camp Doku. My name is Chan. I'm the camp manager, and our work at Camp Doku is all about growing bamboo and vetiver grass to provide the resources to recharge water. We believe that water is a critical component of our journey to restore our ecosystem here on the island of Borneo. Growing bamboo creates microclimate, and vetiver grass allow us to recharge our groundwater to store water in our ground. Intensive agriculture through plantations have already created soil destruction, which basically do not allow our soil to restore and recharge groundwater. So through this effort, we are able to slowly develop the framework and the platform. Our work is concentrated around communities, not only at our camp but all over the country, and we also work very closely with academia to develop research into characterization and to search for key active compound which can be used for our food security and our food integrity. So we want to welcome you to our farm, to our communities, to have a first-hand look at what is going on with regards to the resources through bamboo and vetiver grass to create restoration. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you.